Sweet and sour flavors are popular all over the world. This zucchini agrodolce features zucchini that's cooked in a sweet and sour sauce. The origin of agrodolce stems from Sicilian cuisine. The sweet and sour flavors are often used to flavor meats, fish, and vegetables. The flavors of sweet and sour are thought to have originated in China and brought to this region of Italy in the Middle Ages by the Moors. The ingredients to make our zucchini agrodolce are zucchini, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, pine nuts, raisins, white wine vinegar, anchovy, salt, and pepper. The first thing we're going to do is heat our olive oil in a pan. I'm using a grassy, green, and fresh flavored olive oil to cook my zucchini, which is typical from this region, and add our smashed garlic clove. Now that our garlic is brown, make sure it doesn't burn. We're going to remove it. When cooking with garlic, it can easily burn. Infusing the olive oil with the whole garlic clove until it's brown and then removing it is a great way to mitigate this. We're going to add our zucchini. We're going to season our zucchini with some salt and a little bit of pepper. And we're going to make sure that the zucchini is fully covered and coated with the olive oil. Just when the zucchini begins to brown, we're going to cover it. After about 5 minutes, we're going to check on our zucchini. Look to see that the zucchini starts to turn golden brown. At this point, let's add some of our flavoring. I have here some white wine vinegar. I have some golden raisins. And for a little bit of umami and saltiness, I have some minced up anchovy. For extra flavor and umami, traditionally salted anchovies would be used in an agrodolce. To make this fully plant-forward, you may omit the anchovies. And if the pan is a little dry, add a bit of water. At this point, I'm going to put the lid on a jar slightly and let the zucchini finish cooking. We want the zucchini to have a little bit of texture but be nice and tender. Lastly, we're going to add a little bit of texture with our toasted pine nuts. Pine nuts are often used in Sicilian cuisine, and for this dish, they add texture and another layer of nutritional fat. When our agrodolce liquid has slightly thickened, we're ready to plate. If served as part of antipasta, the sweet and sour flavors of this zucchini agrodolce will tantalize your taste buds and want you craving more. And here you have our zucchini agrodolce.